Okay, this is our room. Second room. View.
What about me? Look at the view.
Our bed. This is the tree house. Okay, this is our window overlooking the sea. Can you see? Yan, yun ang dagat. See, overlooking. That's the mountains. We have like 3 windows. Yan. Yan. Actually, it's 4 windows. From the mountain, this is the main entrance. Hi, babe.
The restaurant. Hi.
There's a restaurant over there. Let's zoom it a little. Can we zoom? I cannot be zoomed. Yeah, this is the beach.
The view is magnificent anyway.
This is me. Babe, kunin mo ako.
That is you.
Behind the view. Coco Beach.
You can really see the water from here.
Yeah. Hi to all the people
This
here
is not
filming
Coco
this
Beach,
from-
babe.
What?
It's Coco Grove.
Coco Grove. Okay. Bye.